Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Today I'm in my scripture journal. I'm really excited about this. I think it's going to be so pretty. I'll link everything that I can in the description box below, but I'm going to be incorporating, I always use this. I picked it up at Joann's, but I actually found it on Amazon, so I'll link it. And I picked up this paper. I love it. So perfect for a scripture journal. And then I have this washi. I'll probably use this washi, my gyro cut, these scissors I used, and I used this little thing here, this little cutting mat, and I may incorporate these Live, Love, Posh stickers, okay? So let's just see what we might want to do. This is what I did last week for Easter. And this, I'm really, like I said, I'm stoked about this, all right? So I want to put this washi down. I think it will be so beautiful. It's just script writing. You can tear it if you want. I don't think I'm going to tear this, though. I'm going to just put it right here. Now, I think once it goes on this paper, it's not going to peel up as well as it does on my other paper, okay? Just letting you know that. But, yeah, once this is down, it's pretty much down. All right, then I'm going to cut this off right here. And I think I might need to get, these scissors are so sharp and just perfect. Well, let me cut this end off. They'll just almost glide across through here. You do better if you cut from the back. I'm going to get this right here and hold this back because it beats fighting with it. It's the perfect little helper. So there that is. I love it. It's so pretty. Maybe that's in my Bible. You know, maybe that's right in the Bible, or maybe it's something else. Okay. Now, I don't know whether I want to take this and tear it or try cutting it with these scissors, because I have a big whole set of this, and I got them out, and I was like, wonder how that would look. And it is pretty, but I don't think it's even really that noticeable. So I may, definitely going to cut this off. About right down through there. Doesn't have to be perfect or even straight because I'm going to tear it, I think. Yeah, I'm going to tear it, but I had to get it to where I could see where I could tear it to, okay? So I'm just going to start tearing this. Like that, and I may cut the bottom. I really like these scissors. They do give it a nice effect. I think I'll put it right about, got to cut a little bit more off of here. That is really cute. Okay, I like that. And I'll just pull that. Okay, so I'm going to layer this. I'm going to get out my Ad Tech tape runner. I don't know why I cannot talk today. Do you ever have those days where everything you say is just crazy? Oh, jeez. I have my verse that I really love, and I've picked it out, and I'll let you see that in a minute. Now I'm going to bring this right here. Because I don't know how well this will even come up. So I didn't get it really good. So that is okay. I need to probably take my gyro cut if I can. Well, I could just tear it, I suppose. Right like that. Okay. And this, I'm just going to leave that like that. I'm liking this so far. So cool, okay? All right, next what I want to do is I have these. Now, which one? I cut these out. I have these. I think they're beautiful. They look like this. She's reading a book. To me, it could be, she could be studying her Bible. Okay, so I have some white paper because I think this is going to need it to stand out. It, you know, it would stand out, but I want it to really stand out. So let me find my tweezers. I would be lost without these tweezers. Okay. Now I took the gyro cut, and I'm hoping some places I cut all the way through the paper. So let me just go around here and hope that I can kind of peel this up. There you go. I lost part of her head. Ugh. Okay, let's put that there. Let me see if I can get this part of her head back on. Here it is. That is good enough for me, okay? All right, then I cut out, which other one did, oh, this one. So let me just cut this out like this so I can deal with it a little better. And I'm gonna put her right here and see how much better they stand out. Then I'm gonna get this. I use this a lot with my gyro cut. And I'm just going to go around this sticker. All right, let's see. Oh, right here, I didn't slice it. Okay, that will stand out much better now. Now I'm going to do this one. Just have to make sure you press hard enough. Okay, we've got those two finished. Put the little end on my gyro cut. All right, now I want to put, which is this one. I can do all things through Christ, which strengtheneth me, Philippians 4:13. And this is so true. And I want to put this right here in the middle. You know, we might not always have an easy time, but he will give us the strength to go through whatever it is we need to go through. And that is the main thing. All right, let me get this. I love that. Okay. Then I'm going to put her here and her here. Whether you're having issues, I don't know, school, work, family life, whatever, nothing that he cannot overcome. I think I'm going to put that one right there. Okay, now is there anything else that I want to add to this? I was thinking about maybe, but I don't know. That might be too big for this page. Maybe make room or seek him. Okay, I need to cut this out. And I think I'll just kind of do a very rough cut around this. It's a sticker. I could use my gyro cut, but I decided I wouldn't. I think that's really pretty. Maybe I'll put that right here. Seek him. That is really pretty. Maybe I'll take this. It's very pretty just like it is. I really wouldn't have to do anything else. But I'm thinking if I change my mind, it's no biggie. I can keep this. But I was thinking, I always think a spread looks better if it has 3 elements to it. And I'm thinking that this is no different. Okay, so let's see. All right. See where we like this the best. Here, I think a little closer to her, but down some. Let's take a look at this. All right, here's my scripture spread for this week. I love it. I can do all things through Christ, which strengtheneth me. Philippians 4:13. I like the little sticker from Live, Love, Posh that says seek him. I love these. It looks like she's actively engaging in doing some Bible study or scripture journaling even. If you enjoyed this scripture journal spread, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.